Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So many of the candidates are used to ask me, please upload a complete Power BI video tutorial. So I am planning to upload a Power BI tutorials a series wise guys. And this Power BI tutorial is completely I am going to explain on my system guys, and I will show you as end of the Power BI concepts as well, what is Power BI and what are the features of Power BI. Okay, and what is the difference between Power BI and Tableau, and what are the components of Power BI, and what are the advantages of Power BI, and what is the architecture of Power BI. Okay, and each and everything with the practicals, we will understand the Power BI concepts guys. So nowadays Power BI is very high demand in IT industry guys. Each and every company using Power BI tool guys for data visualization purpose. And you may also have doubt what is the career scope of Power BI. So if I started a career as a Power BI developer, then what is the career scope? So there is a very bright future is there guys if you start career as a Power BI. But you have to upgrade your skills according to the IT market. If you can talk about package also, there is a very good package they are giving for Power BI developers. So in this session, I will tell you the overview of Power BI. What is Power BI and where we use Power BI in IT companies, and what is the main purpose of Power BI. In simple words, I can explain guys. So Power BI is nothing but it is a business intelligence tool guys. Business intelligence tool, or we can say data visualization tool. It has ability to access the data from different data sources. It might be Excel, it might be CSV file, or it might be any web file, or it might be Google Analytics or a PDF file. You can easily access the data by using this Power BI tool. This data is nothing but a raw data. If you have thousands of records or lakhs of records of the data, you may not understand, you may not analyze about that data. So by using this Power BI tool, you can access that data and you can analyze that data. After analyzing that data, you can visualize the data in the form of bars and charts or pie charts. So after completion of data visualization, you can share that data to the clients or third party people. Okay, see here, only four things guys, only four things. You can get the data from different data sources, and after getting the data, after importing the data, you can analyze that data and you can visualize that data, and you can share that data to the clients or third parties, and you can make it reports, and you can also create the dashboards. This is the purpose only using Power BI guys. Okay, you can create the reports and you can create the dashboards. Yes, there are different features and different components are there. I will explain all those things in the next session guys. This tutorial going to in the series wise guys. There are in different ways we can call for job designation for Power BI tool jobs are like data analytics job, or business intelligence jobs, data visualization jobs, okay, or Power BI developer. Whatever it designation name is, so the designation name is different, but the subject is same guys. In the next video, I will get back to with complete introduction of Power BI. Really helpful this tutorial. Please share to your friends also guys. And also I am expecting more likes for this Power BI tutorial sessions. Okay, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. I will reply to your queries. If you really helpful this complete Power BI tutorial video, please share to your friends also guys, then it might be helpful for them also guys. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video guys. Thank you very much.